Ryan Parthemore here. We're off I-75 and we've seen this statue. It's pretty cool because it goes in a lot of detail. You can see the eyes, the butterfly, the deer. There's a bunch of different animals. You even see a snake down there. But this is pretty cool. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. This is actually pretty cool. It's real good. You can tell it's done out of a tree. When you're watching this, maybe you can name some of the animals so I know you're watching it. But you can see all kinds of animals in here. So what do you guys think at home? We got UFO Rick over there. It's over here by Our Lady America here. But you can see there's free wooden crosses over here too. We'll go check them out for you guys. We're off I-75 near Wagner Ford Road, North Dixie Drive area. But you can see the free wooden crosses.
That's probably why I thought it was Jesus, because of the crosses.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the free wooden crosses. Actually, I didn't get to take my selfies today. But remember to like, subscribe, keep exploring, and following Parthemore Paranormal. Different stuff every week. Just trying to keep you guys, something for you guys to watch and be entertained. But remember, take it safe, guys, and enjoy life. Explore.